Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to level up your gaming experience with the most epic headset on the market, the Meta Quest 3 512GB? This thing is a beast, and I'm about to tell you why. With its lightning-fast performance, 4K resolution, and gaming-ready design, you'll feel like you're right inside the game. Imagine the rush of breaking free from cords and exploring immersive worlds without limits, the sound of your own breathing the only thing you hear as you navigate through virtual reality. This headset is a powerhouse, with nearly 30% leap in resolution, giving you breathtaking detail and sharp graphics. You'll feel like you're really there, with the stunning 4K plus infinite display making every thrill feel more real. And with the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, you get 2x graphical processing power, enjoying smooth gaming and lightning-fast load times. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are undeniable. You can blend virtual objects with your physical space, experiencing two worlds at once, and with the exclusive Gorilla Tag Bundle, you get the Gorilla Space Program suit and helmet, plus 2,000 shiny rocks. The feel of the headset on your face is comfortable and natural, allowing you to play for hours without fatigue. Whether you're a gamer or just looking for a new way to experience virtual reality, this headset is a game changer. It's better than others on the market because of its unique combination of power, graphics, and comfort. So why wait? Get your Meta Quest 3 512GB today and discover a whole new world of gaming and virtual reality. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.